everybody, welcome to our channel. Damien Atlastic and my son Xavier here. Today we will be doing a little review of the Olympus D-425 4 megapixel point and shoot camera. It's a cheap camera that we will compare the images with my Sony a6300. Not much of a compare, but see how much quality you can get out of a little tiny point and shoot camera that's extremely cheap, and prove that you don't need a great expensive camera to start your journey with photography, right?
Yep.
And by the way, he's dressed as a knight because we're here at the Olsztyn Castle by Częstochowa, our home city. And there's some kind of Eagle's Nest Trail holiday, so there's stuff around here on this topic, so enjoy. So as you see in the pictures I took with the Sony a6300 and with this 4 megapixel Olympus, and I didn't see the quality of it yet. I got it turned on, but from first impressions, as I can call that, it's a little hard to see on the little screen there, so some pictures might come out a little bit tilted, but the quality wise, dynamic range, I didn't see on the LCD screen much difference. We will see in the quality if you can tell any difference in quality. Let us know in the comments down below if you see any big ginormous difference in quality to avoid spending a few bucks and cashing out a few $100 for a Sony or something like that. So take care and see you in the next video.
Leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification button to get notified when a new video comes out, and join the notification squad.
You heard Mike Knight in shining armor. Join that notification squad. Be on our side or you will get cut down.